Welcome to Bureau of Indian Standards, Bangalore Branch Laboratory. In this video, we will discuss the testing of sluice valve of IS 14846. These tests are conducted to evaluate the performance, functionality, and structural integrity. A sluice valve is also known as gate valve. It is typically used to control the flow of liquid in the pipe or channel. Applications of sluice valve: water treatment plants, municipal water distribution system, irrigation system, power plants, oil and gas pipelines, firefighting systems. These are suitable for high pressure applications, durable under extreme conditions, can be operated manually or automatically. Sluice valve consists of gate inside the valve body which moves up and down to control the flow. When the hand wheel or the actuator is turned, the threaded system moves the gate. In the open position, the gate is fully lifted and allows the flow of fluid. In closed position, the gate fully blocks the flow of fluid. There are two types of sluice valve based on the design: raising stem sluice valve, non-raising stem sluice valve. In this video, we are testing for non-raising stem sluice valve. The range of sluice valve in size from 50 to 1200 mm is used for water supply into the 45 degrees Celsius and having double flanged ends for connections. The sluice valve consists of movable disc or the gate that slides within a body to open or close the flow path. The sluice valves are designed by nominal pressure, that is maximum permissible gauge working pressure in megapascal. For the sizes of 50 to 1200 mm, the nominal pressure is 1 megapascal, and for sizes of 50 to 600 mm, the nominal pressure is 1.6 megapascal. The different parts of sluice valve are body, bonnet, stem, wedge, flange, hand wheel. The tests conducted for sluice valve are visual inspection test, hydrostatic test, closed-ended test, open-ended test, and flaw detection test for stem. Visual inspection test. Visual inspection test ensures there are no damages or leaks in the sluice valve. Inspection of body, bonnet, flange and bolts by ensuring no cracks, corrosion, rust or deformation. Inspection for coating and painting is also done for sluice valve. Hydrostatic test. Equipment required for hydrostatic test: hydraulic compressor, flange and washers. This test include open-end valve test and closed-end valve test. The open-end valve test involves 3 hydrostatic tests. In the first test, the valve is fully open. For 80 mm bore diameter, 10.2 kg per centimeter square pressure is applied to the entire valve body after releasing the air. This test ensures the valve body integrity. In the second and third test, the wedge inside the valve is closed. Pressure is applied on one face of the wedge in the second test. Then in the third test, pressure is applied on the opposite face of the wedge. The valve must remain watertight for 2 minutes. During testing, the pressure gauge must not drop below the test pressure and it should not have any leakages and detachments. Closed-end valve test. In this test, the valve is positioned vertically. For 80 mm bore diameter, the testing machine applies pressure of 10.2 kg per centimeter square without overloading the valve body. The close-end test consists of body test and seat test. In body test, the valve is fully open and the pressure is applied for at least 5 minutes after releasing air. This test ensures the body's strength. In the seat test, valve wedge is closed and the pressure is applied to the one face of the wedge in the second test. Then the pressure is applied to the opposite face in the third test. The valve must stay watertight for 2 minutes and the pressure gauge must remain stable throughout the test. The major difference between open-end valve test and closed-end valve test is in open-end valve test, one end is open, focuses more on pressure integrity without fully sealing the valve, and in the closed-end valve test, both the ends are sealed, simulating real-world valve conditions. Dimension test. Equipments required for the dimension tests are measuring tape and vernier caliper. In this test, we will measure the overall height of the sluice valve, the thickness of the flange and diameter of the hand wheel is measured as per the standards. The internal bore dia, number of bolt holes and the stem dia is also been measured as per the standards. Width of the square and width of the flange are also been measured as per the standards. Flaw detection test for stem. All stems, whether integrally forged or formed by established technique, shall be subjected to liquid penetrant test. For 700 to 1200 mm valves, every stem shall be subjected to specified in class 10.2 in IS 14846. In this test, we are required mainly three chemicals: cleaner, penetrant, developer. Cleaner. It is used to clean the surface of the stem and remove the excess left after the penetrant is sprayed. Procedure of test. A suitable liquid penetrant is applied to the surface of the component under examination and permitted to remove there for sufficient time to allow the liquid to penetrate into any defects open at the surface. After the penetrant type, the excess penetrant which remains on the surface is removed. Then a light colored powdered absorbent called the developer is applied to the surface. This developer acts as a blotter and draws out a portion of the penetrant which had previously seeped into the surface openings. As the penetrant is drawn out, it diffuses into the coating of the developer, forming the indications on the surface discontinuous or flaws. Result. Usually, a crack or similar openings will show a line, and tight cracks or partially welded lap will show a broken line. Gross porosity may produce large indications covering an entire area, and very fine porosity will be indicated by random dots. This is how the sluice valve is tested as per the IS 14846. Thank you for watching.